Well, health officials are warning people in central Kentucky about measles as an outbreak continues.
ABC 36's Sydney St. Clair reports this comes after people in Nicholasville may have been exposed to the virus, and several cases in central Kentucky have been confirmed.
A measles outbreak that started in Woodford County has now spread into Fayette County. A total of 6 cases have been seen across the Commonwealth. Dr. Stephen Stack, the secretary of the Kentucky Cabinet for Health and Family Services, says the virus is highly contagious.
It's one of the most contagious human diseases on the planet. If one person with measles exposes other folks to the disease and they're not immunized, about 18 other people are on average infected by one person with measles. So it's very
Health officials say the virus spreads through the air and remains in the area for up to 2 hours. Symptoms can include high fever, runny nose, cough. A rash usually appears within 3 to 5 days. Stack says measles had been eliminated in the U.S. for decades. However, since immunization rates are declining, there's been a resurgence, and the U.S. could lose its elimination status. When it comes to the vaccination rates dropping, Stack says,
Yeah, so the message is real simple. Get vaccinated. Please get vaccinated. If you get 2 doses of the measles, mumps, rubella vaccine, it is 97% effective for preventing you from ever getting measles.
The measles, mumps, and rubella, or MMR vaccine, is required for school attendance in Kentucky. However, officials say just under 90% of kindergartners in Kentucky were fully vaccinated, below the national average of 93%.
It really breaks my heart that these parents who are, I think, just trying to do what they believe is best for their children are receiving these really misleading and confusing and, quite frankly, often wrong information from folks who are trying to confuse them and undermine their confidence in vaccines.
Stack says if you have any questions about measles or the MMR vaccine, to contact a healthcare provider or reach out to the Cabinet for Health and Family Services. In Lexington, Sydney St. Clair, ABC 36 News Now.